never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me.
Okay, never enough for me.
Good morning, the Honorable of the examiners, Ms. Yanita Uswar as the first examiner, and the second examiner is Ms. Annie Maisaro, and also the Honorable of my supervisor, Sir Asari Peswondo, who give me a lot of knowledge and experience. Thank you so much. And I would like to present the results of my research to fulfill as requirement my requirement as a bachelor's degree, especially at my beloved campus, University of Potensi Utama. Thank you for the chance given to me to present my final project. Let us say thank for God who gives us the healthy time and nerve for us, so we can gather in this place, and the noble of our Majesty Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who is waited his miracle in the future. So today, let's get started. I will immediately discuss about the results of my research. So my title is the effect of presentation practice production on students' reading ability. Research. The problem of the students was about reading ability. That we know reading is one English skills that should be mastered by students. Rahmawati said reading is receptive language. It means the ability to understand and gain meaning for information. So before I choose my title, I also search a lot of previous study in reading ability. So it can be said that most of the research on students' reading ability is difficulties understanding in English reading. So there are several factors. Jung said that there are many factors that can influence students' ability in building the meaning. Like based on my research, there are orthography, vocabulary, grammar, background knowledge, and metacognitive. The reading text, because the student have the level of willingness to learn English. I also talked to her about the method that her used in the subject of the English language. So I discussed with her, and I tried to find out the other learning model to help and see there was an effect of students' reading ability. So I decided to choose presentation practice production or PPP by Jeremy Harmer. So for your information, Jeremy Harmer Jeremy Harmer is writer, and he have a lot of books about teaching English language. So I interesting to choose this learning model for students' reading ability. So this is generally about the procedure in presentation practice production. In the first presentation, teacher presents a word structure on new target of the item. So in reading lesson, I give the material about the analytical text. So I give the material about the analytical and give the student how they can know about the thesis, argument, and also reiteration. And then the second about the practice. So the student will dominate the classroom and they practice the new language. It can be practiced by doing exercise. So I applied this learning model to give my student task or text. There were 20 multiple choice. So it seems like doing exercise. And the last part is production. So in here, the student can make their production with their own language. It means like from the result of the process, we can say we can see them. They can understand the material of the analytical text. So this is also this continue with the chapter 2. Review of related literature. Research. There were two variables in this study. In the first, PPP as the independent variable and student reading ability in as the dependent variable. So the population of my research was taken the student of SMK Sinar Husni Medan, and the sample of this research was grade 11 OTKP or otomatisasi tata kelola perkantoran, and grade 11 AKL akuntansi dan keuangan lembaga consists of 30 students. So this is a procedures of data in quantitative. I use pre-test and post-test in experimental class and control class, but in experimental class there were a treatment and the control class with the conventional method. Instrument of the my instrument, I use a reading test for 22 multiple choices. The first, validity and reliability test, and then analysis the result of the validity and reliability test. Third, valid and reliable instrument were used in the field research, then analyze the research data, normality and homogeneity test, and use independent sample t-test. So this is about my data. To collect the data of this research in SMK Sinar Husni Medan, so there were the control and experimental class where each score, I will explain the score of the pretest in control was 1,730, and in the post test 2,110, and gain score. So this is the average, not the average, but the result of pre-test and post-test gain score was 380, and in experimental, in pre-test was 1955 score, and mean gain score. So it can be said the result of my research in experimental was higher than the control. In experimental was 19.50, and in the control class is 12.66. So it means that there was an effect of presentation practice production or PPP modeling of students' reading ability in experimental group and the student reading ability in control group by using conventional method. So this is the conclusion, chapter 5. After I analyze and interpret the data statically for using IBM SPSS 25, the result of study showed that PPP had significant effect on the students' reading ability. So it can be said from the mean score. The mean score of the control class was 57.66, and post-test was 70.33. And we can see also in the experimental class was in pre-test 65.15, and the post-test 84.66. So it also can be seen from the test in post-test value 0.00 small than 0.05. The rest of the data and testing hypothesis null was rejected, and the alternative null hypothesis was accepted because the score of the experimental class greater than control class. So this is about suggestion. The researchers suggest for the teacher can use PPP learning model to increase their reading ability to make students more motivated. The second, the researcher suggests for students can improve their reading ability and understand about the contents of the text to be read and answer some question on the text. And the last, about the result of this research should be useful for researchers who apply PPP as the application of learning to develop students' ability in reading or other subject, and the result of the study will be useful for other researchers. So that's all about my presentation for final project. I would like to say thank you, and I hope this is very useful, and I hope there is no hard question for me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.